Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Wonderla Holidays. Our analyst retains buy on Wonderla Holidays with an unchanged price target of Rs 1085. Management has identified 4 key pillars of growth. First, addition of new parks. Second, makeover of existing parks. Third, enhancing customer experience. And fourth, increasing contribution of non-ticketing revenue. Wonderla is planning to add 2 parks every 3 to 4 years and increase its presence to 10 cities by 2030 from the current 3 cities. Smaller parks will have 3 to 4 years payback period, while larger parks will have 7 to 8 years payback period. New parks are likely to be EBITDA positive from year 1 of operations. The recent correction provides a good entry opportunity with an attractive valuation of 17.5 times its FY25 and 12.2 times FY26 EV by EBITDA. Next, we cover Hero MotoCorp. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Hero MotoCorp with an unchanged price target of Rs 6,057 on healthy recovery in EBITDA margin, strong response to its latest products, continuous focus on premiumization, and expansion of its EV markets. The underlying margin for IC's business has reached an upper band of its guidance of 16%. Management expects the two-wheeler industry to register double-digit revenue growth in FY25. The stock trades at a price to equity multiple of 16.5 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 11.1 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.